In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar notifications, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or event again. Let's dive right into it and make sure your calendar alerts are set exactly how you want them. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar by heading to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see your familiar calendar view, probably cluttered with a mix of meetings, personal events, and other appointments. Now let's look at modifying those notifications. Next, you'll need to navigate to your calendar settings. Locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive array of configuration options where you can control various aspects of your Google Calendar experience. Once you're in the settings, pay attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see a section labeled Settings for my calendars. You should see a list of all the calendars you manage or subscribe to. Click on the calendar for which you want to change the notification settings. This is where you can fine-tune how you receive alerts and reminders specifically for that calendar. Now scroll down until you reach the event notifications and all-day event notifications sections. This is where you'll start seeing the options to customize how and when you receive notifications. You might find that events and all-day events require different types of alerts, so it's useful to set them separately if needed. Here comes an important decision point: whether you want to receive notifications as pop-ups or emails. A pop-up notification will appear on your screen, while an email will be sent to your registered email address. Think about what works best for you, your workflow, and how you manage notifications on your devices. After deciding the format of your notifications, you can change how often you want to get alerts in advance. You could choose to be alerted 10 minutes before an event, an hour, or even a full day in advance, depending on the lead time you prefer. Adjust this setting according to the importance of your events and meetings. Lastly, if you'd like to have multiple notifications for a single event, click Add Notification to include another alert. Or if you no longer need an existing notification, simply click Remove Notification to delete it. This finds a balance between sufficient reminders and preventing a flood of unnecessary alerts. With these steps completed, your Google Calendar will now function exactly as you need, providing timely reminders for all your commitments. Making these modifications is a small effort that can significantly boost your productivity and preparedness. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your time with Google Calendar more effectively.